how to add or how to deposit USDT to Trust Wallet account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can add or deposit USDT to your Trust Wallet account or to Trust Wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let's go through quick and easy with this video. In order to deposit in Trust Wallet, what you can do is simply go ahead and open a Trust Wallet and log into your account. So once you're logged in, you want to simply tap on the receive option there on the screen on your home page, and from here now you want to go ahead and search in for USDT. So you can see here which USDT, whether you want to deposit Tether USDT or just the USDT, depending on, you can select the networks as well and make sure to select it correctly and you'll be able to get the address. Now you can either copy the address and go ahead into another wallet and use the send option and enter in this address to receive the USDT on your Trust Wallet, or what you can do is you can screenshot the QR code and you can scan the QR code and send it. So this is how you can receive or add USDT to Trust Wallet account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.